Make the meat like this, the secret that restaurants don't tell you. For this recipe, I have 600 grams of meat and I'm going to cut it like this, first into slices and then into small cubes. Once cut, transfer the meat to a bowl. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder, 50 milliliters of soy sauce. Let the meat marinate for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut up an onion. Cut it in half. Next, take a carrot and cut it in half. And then slice it that way. Cut up a yellow bell pepper. We'll remove the seed and then cut it into slices. And we'll do the same with the green bell pepper. Also cut a red bell pepper into slices. Set aside, and now let's take a broccoli and remove the stalks. Next, put some oil in a pan, let it heat up and add the meat to fry. Stir from time to time. Remove the meat and set aside. Now add the onions and fry for a minute. Remove the onions and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and fry the carrots. Add the broccoli, the yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. Let's stir. Now add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Leave to cook for 4 minutes and keep stirring. Now we can return the meat to the pan. Add the onion too, and stir again. Here I have 150 ml of water with a tablespoon of cornstarch. And this delicious dish is ready to serve. Look at all the flavors. Simply delicious. And what grade does this recipe deserve? So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.